Hello dear all students, I am Professor Nilesh Akre. So with me, we are going to start with the first chapter of a math, that is angle and its measurement. इसका पहला lecture. Hello dear all 11 science students, welcome. I am Professor Nilesh Akre. So we are going to start with the first chapter, that is angle and its measurement in mathematics. So what is angle basically? What is angle? Angle is nothing but the union of two rays. Union of the two rays is called as a angle. Very simple. There are two rays and two rays are there. Then two rays जो मिल के बनता है उसको बोलते हैं angle. So what is this measurement? What is the measurement of the angle? The amount of rotation. We consider one ray is fixed. One ray is fixed. Then the another ray is rotates. This OA rotates to take a position OB. So amount of rotation. The rotation is called as a measurement. वो कितना rotate हुआ है? Exactly what is the meaning of the measurement of the angle? The rotation of initial ray to take a position to terminal ray is called as a measurement of the angle. Now, if we consider this as a fix here, OA as a fix. Now, when we come to the rotation की बात आती है, तो rotation can be like this or like this. That means it can move in this direction like this, or it can come to the downward direction. So we consider this as B dash. This is B. So here measure angle AOB or measure angle AOB dash. Now AOB is rotated in which direction? So for that direction you have to remember the clock. What is the clock? Like this. So clock moves in this direction, that is called as a clockwise. So this is called as a clockwise direction. इसको क्या बोलेंगे अपन? Clockwise direction. And this is called as a anti-clockwise direction. It is called as a anti-clockwise direction. Clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. Therefore, these two angles we not consider as the same because the direction of their rotation. When it's anti-clockwise direction, it is always considered as positive angle. इसको क्या कहते हैं अपन? Positive angle. When it's move in anti-clockwise direction, and it moves in clockwise direction, it is considered as negative angle. It is considered as a negative angle. So that is positive angle and negative angle to you. Now we will see what is a unit of the measurement. So we start with unit of the measurement. So yes, so now the measurement of an angle. So when measurement of angle is there are two types of the system. One is called sexagesimal system, and another one is called as a circular system. So what is a sexagesimal system? उसके बारे में बात करते हैं. What is the sexagesimal system? So उसके बारे में बात करते हैं. Sexagesimal system. So what is sexagesimal system? It is very simple. So here we define 1 degree first. What is 1 degree? If we consider a circle मतलब पूरा complete rotation is 360 degree. So it is 360 degree. If we divide the circle into 360 parts, we divide the circle into how many parts? 360 parts. Then whatever the small part will be there, that small part is called as a 1 degree. That small part is called as a 1 degree. Yes, so now consider the sexagesimal system. What is sexagesimal system? Sexagesimal system किसको कहते हैं? उसका यूनिट होता है डिग्री. इसका यूनिट क्या होता है? Degree, minute and second. So what is degree and minute and second? So degree, 1 degree. 1 degree किसको कहेंगे अपन? It is 1 upon 360 part of circle. We can say. That is circle, if we divide into 360 part, how many parts if we divide the circle? We will divide the circle into 360 parts. Then one part of that is called as a 1 degree. And it is denoted as 1 degree, like this. The next is 1 minute. If you divide 1 degree further into 60 part, if you divide 1 degree into 60 part, that is 1 upon 60th part of 1 degree is called as a 1 minute, and it is denoted as 1 minute. And next is 1 second. 1 second. So what is 1 second? If you divide minute again into the 60 part, that is 1 upon 60 part of 1 minute angle, and it is denoted as 1 double dash like this. So that is 1 degree, 1 minute and 1 second. The next is circular system. Yes, now consider circular system. Circular system of the measurement. Here unit is radian. Now consider a circle. If you consider a circle and if you make an arc such that the length of arc is equal to the radius of the circle, then whatever the center angle here is called as a 1 radian. That is the definition of 1 radian. So what is 1 radian? What is the 1 radian here? So 1 radian क्या होता है? It is the angle subtended at the center. It is angle subtended at the center of a circle by an arc such that length of an arc is equal to is radius of क्या होगा? Length of arc is equal to radius of circle. That is called as a circular system of measurement. Yes, before going to the exercise, you should know what is the relation between degree and radius. So just revise this one. One quick revision of this. 1 degree, that is 1 degree is always equal to what? It is pi upon 180 radian. Remember that. ये कहाँ से आया? Because you have to remember this one. This पैसे 180 degree is pi radian. Now 1 degree मतलब 180 इधर जाएगा. So 1 degree is pi upon 180 radian. और जब 1 radian की बात आएगी तो pi इधर आएगा. तो इधर 1 radian बचेगा. So 1 radian is what? 180 upon pi, like this. So that's very, very important formula to you. Yes, so using this concept, now we will solve a few questions based on this. So here, what is the concept given? 1 degree is pi upon 180 radian and 1 radian is equal to 180 upon pi degree. So question is, convert the following angles in radian. So 85 degree, that's the first question. So 85 degree को अगर हमको convert करना है radian में, तो जब degree to convert into radian, we are going to use this one. So we know that 1 degree is equal to pi upon 180 radian. Pi upon 180 radian. Therefore, this become multiplying both sides by 85. So 85 degree is equal to what? Pi upon 180 into 85. So this become radian. Now 5 से divide करोगे तो 36 5s are 180 and this is 17. This one 17 5s are 85. Therefore 85 degree is equal to 17 pi upon 36 radian. That's the answer. So answer is 17 pi upon 36 in radian. Similarly, the next question, that is minus 132. Exactly same. So what we have done, whatever the angle is there, just you multiply with pi upon 180. So same is here. Minus 132 degree is nothing but minus 132. You have to multiply with pi upon 180. If you divide by 4, so divide by 4 करोगे तो क्या आएगा? It is 4 3s are 12. वापस 3 तो 33. This is 45. Like this. Again 3 से divide होता है. So 3 से divide करेंगे. So minus 11 pi upon 15. So that's the answer. Therefore, minus 132 degree, we can say that is equals to minus 11 pi upon 15. So एक बार अच्छे देख लो. It's very easy one. Yes, so now we solve this one. Convert following angles into degree. So 7 pi by 12 radian में दिया. तो जब radian में दिया है तो radian वाला formula आएगा. So we know that what 1 radian is equal to 180 upon pi degree. So multiplying both sides by this 7 pi by 12. So 7 pi by 12 radian is equal to 180 upon pi into 7 pi by 12. That becomes degree now. Pi by cut. 12, 12 ones are 12 15s are, and pi pi there, 15 into 7, so it is 105 degrees. So 7 pi by 12 radian आएगा 105 degree, like this. It's very simple. Similarly here, we know that what? We know that 1 radian is equals to 180 upon pi degree. So multiplying both sides by minus pi by 3 radian, so is equal to 180 upon pi into minus pi by 3, like this. So this pi cancel, this 3, it is cancel with this is 60, 60 into minus pi, so this becomes minus 300 degree. That is minus pi upon pi 3 radian. It is equals to minus 300 degree. That's the answer for this sum. So this is yes. So एक बार देख लो. Fine.